You ready?
Yeah.
Hi there, it's Mark here again. I've got Rob on the camera.
Hello.
And today we're going to unbox this fantastic Aqroshot on the DT03 T chassis. T for truck, isn't it, Rob?
Something like that, yeah.
As you might know, this was a lovely present from my fantastic mate Rob. Cheers, Rob.
No probs, mate.
And so yeah, we're going to unbox it, going to see why it's such a brilliant Tamiya to buy. If you're going to part with some of your lovely money for it. So you won't mind me saying, Rob, this is an entry-level kit, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it comes with lots of goodies in the box. Yeah, it's a really good chassis, full double wishbone suspension all round. It's got oil shocks on it, and a torque tune motor comes with it. You can see there's a little sticker here telling you you've got these parts. So, Rob, let's get the top off and show these guys what's inside the box.
Let's do it.
Right then, Rob, let's get the lid off.
Go on, son.
And you haven't told him, have you? But you've put a few extra goodies in here, haven't you?
I have.
He's a good mate, he's Rob. So as you can see, it doesn't all fit in the box like it does properly. So there's your shell. We'll have a look at that in a bit. There's your little truck shell. Here's your stock tyres.
Yeah.
Like we're not too keen on these because they're only for on road, and it's an off-road truck, isn't it, mate? So look what Rob's got me. Oh, they smell lovely. They do. He's got me the Blitzer Beetle tyres, haven't you? Full set, front and back. So those are the fronts, and you've even fitted it on the wheel for me, Rob.
Did I?
That was nice of you. Yeah.
I think I had to fit them all in.
Ah, right then. So let's have a look. You've got more wheels, obviously. Blitzer tyres. And oh, look what he's done, guys. We'll have a look at these in a bit. He's put some goodies in the box at all, as well as the tyres. So I'll tell you what, Rob.
I'm saying cool.
Big, yeah, you know what's there. Big bag of stuff. Look at all that. Right, let's get this stuff out the bags, Rob, because you can't really see properly. And we'll show these good people what you get in the bags. Okay then, so here it is, as you can see. Not that many bits, but enough to build an RC car with. Let's start with this then, Rob.
Right.
This looks to me like the hull of a boat. It is. It's very, very hard plastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you bolt these two together and they make a really, really rigid chassis, don't they, mate? Hi, Cat. Yeah, and there's your shock towers, front and back. We've got another hard plastic, so that's your rear upright, I think, isn't it, Rob?
Like it.
And your C hubs for the steering. And then the cool thing about these DT03s is you've got the front and rear suspension arms. These are the lower ones, aren't they?
Yeah.
The wishbones. So they're the same front and back. And here are the upper arms, and obviously you've got, I think those are the rears, aren't they, the bent ones, Rob?
I think so, yeah.
And those are the fronts. I think the shocks go through the middle of those, don't they?
Yeah.
And these are the softer plastics, aren't they, dude? So
yes.
Better for impact resistance, of course.
Definitely.
Another hard plastics. This is the gearbox case and the pinion cover, or spur and pinion cover. And again, very soft plastics. It's your front bumper, and it's the servo mount, I think, isn't it, Rob?
Yeah, that is weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
A soft servo mount.
It is. And then you've got this, I don't know, well, that's some kind of cover. Quickly moving on, you've got, oh, it fell off the tree there. You've got your output drives from the gearbox, and you've got the wheel axles, and your dog bones ollie too, obviously, because it's rear wheel drive. So you've got the servo saver here, and these are the arms that will drive the tie rods down to the steering. Obviously you've got a set of 4 wheels. I think they're all the same. No, they're not. They're different sizes, Rob. You've got wider rears and narrower fronts, I think.
Oh, right, yes.
Cool. So, and as you can see, just popped on the tyres Rob's got me. I do recommend you get these Blitzer tyres. They fit perfectly, as you see, onto those rims. Just for comparison, there's your standard ones, and these are, you know what, you can hear how hard they are. They're rock hard, aren't they? So, yeah, if you want to go on road, okay for a speed run, I suppose, but you're better off with the Blitzer ones. As I said earlier, you get torque tune motor. Great motors, really like those. A little bit of a performance advantage over the stock silver can. Parts bag A. You've got that U-shaped bar that holds the front lower wishbones, doesn't it, Rob?
It does, yeah.
You've got your ball joints there for the steering. And you've got your steering arms in there, and some nuts and bolts. Bag B, keep Rob happy, he likes to go in the right order. Looks like the bevel gears for the gearbox, for the differential. You've got a titchy tiny little bottle of grease, and those horrible bushings, but thank you, Rob. He's gone and bought me some metal bearings. You're a star, dude. So again, I recommend if you're buying this kit, you want to go for the metal bearing replacement set. You can find these all over eBay. Parts bag, no, that's the wrong order. Parts bag C is the CVA damper set. As you can see, so you've got all the bits in here, including the springs you need to make up your oil dampers, and a lovely big bottle of Tamiya damper oil. Very nice. Last but not least, bag D, you've got your X wrench, you've got some more of those horrible bushings, some R-pins, and nuts and bolts, Rob.
Yeah, cool.
And a bit of double-sided tape. Now, Rob informs me this kit didn't come with an ESC, but he's thrown this one in for me, haven't you? So cheers for that, Rob, which is the Carson Dragster, is it, I think we call this one?
They do call it the Dragster.
I think it goes down to 18 turns, something like that. So if you don't get one with yours, this is a decent one to go for. Very highly recommended. And he's also thrown in another hop-up, which I recommend highly for this, which is the steel pinion gear module. And yeah, because the standard ones wear out in like 10 minutes flat, don't they, Rob?
They do.
The aluminium ones. And also another little bonus, got some lightweight shafts.
Yeah.
That go inside the gearbox, because these are hollow, aren't they, mate?
They are.
So that's very kind of you.
Because they were cheap.
No, don't say you're cheap, Rob. You're the best mate there ever was. You're talking about. And then, of course, we've got Pete Wiley's Wibbly Wobbly. I probably won't be using that, Rob.
No.
I don't seem to be using these anymore, do I?
No, not me.
Oh, a shame. Okay, so that's nearly the whole kit now. Just a quick look. You've got your manual. I won't bother going through it.
No.
But yeah, it shows you how to put it all together. It's marvellous. And if you watch my build guide, you'll see me using that. There's your lovely set of stickers, or decals as they call them. You've got to cut all these out. And because it's a truck, it's got windows that need these masks for them. So you get the mask for those, which is rather good. And some extra silver stickers there, aren't there, Rob? So yeah, just before we finish then, Rob, because you can't really see, can you, through the camera this, but
not really.
Yeah, so you've got to cut out the polycarbonate body, and you said there's a wing, is it somewhere at the back? You've got a bolt on there. You cut,
only a little tiny flat
you
thing.
cut that out, don't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, looking forward to getting on and getting this built, dude.
Cool.
So there you go, guys, a marvellous kit from a marvellous chap. And like I said, I'm going to be looking forward to putting this together, and I hope you follow along with the build guide. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You flashing a red light at me, Rob?
Oh no.
Stop flashing at me with your red thing.
Yeah.
Better do it then, haven't we?
We had.
Unboxing.